we're looking at next thing, that is cases based on this question. So the first case is when the terms or the term is or are missing. So what does that mean? To look at that, let's look at the expression over here. So we have 5, the power of being 5 over here, 0, 2 and 4. So we can clearly see that there is no to the power of 1 or to the power of 3. Is it not? So when you are writing in standard form, again, this is not must that you are going to, whatever you're going to do here, it's not must. So I'll explain it. Let me actually write it first. So 34 into y to the power of 5 plus 12 y to the power of 4 plus, since there is no cube term, I can always add 0 into y cube. And since there is a square term, and since there is no linear term, I can write it as 0 into y. And at last I have the constant, that is plus 2. So what I meant is, you need not do this, is to add this 0 and 0y cube and 0y to the power of 1. If you don't add that, even then it's in standard form, but adding this, right, adding this and this term will help you in doing your addition, subtraction, division. Okay, it will help you in this, all of this. So it's must to add for this process to get simpler, right? So you look into division, and when you're looking at division, you will understand why is that we need to write it in this format. Degree over here clearly is 5. Next question. We're looking at standard form. So we have cube, 1 and 0. There is no square term. So when we are expressing, we'll end up with minus 8z cube plus 0z square plus z to the power of 10 plus 10 into z to the power of 1 minus 1. That's your standard form. And then we have the degree. Degree is 3 over here. Next two questions. We have, you can please pause it and try doing this. We have 1, 0 and 4. So minus 3p to the power of 4 plus 0 into p cube plus 0 into p square. Again, cube and square terms are missing. Is it not? Plus 4 into p to the power of 1 plus 10. Make sense? And then we have the degree, which is clearly 4. Again, please learn to add zeros as and when it's required. It will help you in this chapter and other chapters as well. Okay, so we're looking at one more question. Again, please pause and try it out. Okay, so we're looking at standard form because we have 4, 1 and 0, so we have it to be 3 into p to the power of 4 plus 0 into p cube plus 0 into p square, right? There was no cube term or the square term. We do have the linear term and we have the constant.
Please enroll to our program at chalkpieceacademy.com, wherein we'll be teaching you a lot more tricks for faster simplification and calculation, DIY projects. We'll code with Python, we'll work with Arduino Uno. There are a lot more magic tricks and the physics behind it. They are printable materials which will help you recap and understand things better. We'll have live revision and doubt session 2 months before your term exams. It's very cost effective. There would be no ads or any kind of distractions, and we have a dedicated app to help you guys with this.